And we're back with your next problem. So let's try 830 minus 160 equals blank minus 200. So again, you have to look at this as two separate problems, but their answers are equal. Two separate problems, but their answers are equal. So again, I'm going to put in my parentheses to separate them because they are two separate problems and that equal sign is staying right in the middle. Okay, I separated my two problems. I left my equal sign in the middle. Now I need to find what's my complete side. Which side already has two numbers? Is it going to be this side? No, because I have a blank sitting right here. So I know right away that my whole is missing. My whole is missing. However, on the left side, I have my whole and my part. So that means I can subtract that side first. So again, I would use vertical form to solve that left side. Use vertical form to solve the left side. All right, boys and girls, go ahead and write this on your boards. 830 minus 160. I'm going to put my place value chart again, just because not when it looks like that, just because of organization. Okay, the video is going to pause now, and I want you to solve this, just this part only. 830 minus 160. After you put your answer in, then the video will play. Remember to work on the problem. Do not just type in random numbers just to get by. That is not going to give you that 50 points. Just saying. All right, the video is going to pause now. And you're back. Let's start with our ones. We have 0 minus 0. That is 0. We already know. We already love. What about our tens? We have 3 tens minus 6 tens. Ooh. I don't think we can do that. Ew. Don't have enough. So what do? Hey, hundreds, can I borrow some tens? And so the hundreds will say, sure. They're going to break off 10 tens for us, gives 10 to our 3, and that gives us 13 tens. Let me do a different color for the numbers because can't see that. Again, oh yeah, that's better. Again, we gave 10 to that 3. It's now 13. We took 100, so now that's 700s. Okay. Let's see what you have. Does your answer look like mine? We have 13 minus 6. I know that's 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 7. And then 700s minus 100s, we just take 1. That's 6. Okay, so on the left side, we solved our problem. Now that will help us solve the right. Okay, now we're on the right side. So when I look at this, I see that our whole is missing. But I know these answers are going to somehow end up being equal. How could we solve this? What I would do is take 200 and add it to 670. Again, do not write 670 in that blank. That is incorrect. No. That's trying to take the shortcut, but there was no shortcut. So we're going to take 200 and we're going to add it to 670 to get this pink question mark filled in, our whole. Okay, so I'm going to write here, I'd like for you to do 670, since that's what we just got on the left side. And I want you to do that by yourself. 670 plus 200. The video is going to pause now. Okay. All right, welcome back. 670 plus 200 is this. No need to draw my place value chart here, at least I don't think. Let's do 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 0 is 7. 600s plus 200s is 800s. So now we need to see how we can check this problem. How can we check this? How can we check this? Can I move that over? Nope. What we're going to do is we're going to see what happens if I subtract 870 minus 200. When I subtract 870 minus 200, I should end up with 670. Again, when I subtract 870 and 200, I should end up with 670. So let's check. Okay, so I'm going to do 870 minus 200. Okay. The video is going to pause now. I want you all to solve 870 minus 200. Let's see. Do you get 670? Video is pausing now. Okay, welcome back. You have 870 minus 200. 0 minus 0 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. So our answers are correct and both sides are equal. We solved 830 minus 160 and got 670. We took 670 and added it to 200 this time because we had no whole. So you all helped me to solve 670 plus 200 equals 870. And just to check, just to make sure, we did 870 and we subtracted 200 and we found out if we got 670, and we did. But you also may have seen that when you added it here. But we always check just to be sure. All right, friends. That is the end of that problem. See you at the next slide.